Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Japan. This is by Itsuki. This is, I think it's Kuromayu Tonkotsu from Itsuki from Kumamoto Prefecture in Japan. And this came in a ramen trunk. Noodles take 2.5 minutes to cook. You get these little bundles of straight noodles. You can drop it into 450 milliliters of water, and that's what I just did. So I'm doing 1, 2, and a... No, it's just 2 minutes. That's right. 2 minutes. Alright. So, yeah, you can get Ramen Trunk now. It's a new subscription box. It's ultra premium, costs a little more, but I think it's probably worth it if you're really into like high-end variety. A lot of boxed stuff, which is pretty cool. Go to ramentrunk.com, use the coupon code RamenRaider20 off. That's RamenRaider20OFF for 20% off a single box or a subscription. That's your choosing, if you choose. So yeah. And yeah, what's going on? Got to go out and do my big old walk this morning. That's pretty cool. Here's the sachets. There's a liquid oil, and then there's a powder. And yeah. So this is a tonkotsu, which is a milky pork kind of thing going on. Got some garnish all set up, ready to go. And yeah, it's Friday. Friday's good. You like Friday, don't you? Of course you do. And I'm hoping maybe this weekend I'll have a chance to get different music, because I'm like really sick of the music that I've been making you guys endure, as well as the outro video. I know, you're like, dude, every time the same intro, every time the same outro. But there's this guy wants to make a Ramen Raider theme, and I might use that for the intro, so that's pretty cool. And 2, 1, 0. That was fast. Are these noodles done? Yeah, they appeared to be done-ish. So let's take that. Add our powder. This pack, by the way, holds 2. That's 2 servings. Oh, it's a side notch. See, I like those better. See, side notch. In the case that I don't have scissors right in my hand, which didn't, no, I guess I didn't. The little side notch design is quite enjoyable. And then we got the liquid, which is black sesame oil, I believe. And in lieu of making a mess, I'm going to crack this open. Yeah, see, the side notch isn't always my best friend, but we'll see if that works. Yeah, it's working-ish. Oh, it's getting all over the place. It's funny, you would think oil would just like come out really easily no matter what the situation, but anyways, here it is. You'll probably notice, oh God, I need a new tripod. Like, I do need a hole in the head, but I highly recommend these little magnetic tripods, but after a while, they just crap out. It's really crummy. It's like they don't have any way to tighten them. Here's the broth. That's delightful. And then we've got our noodle. Yeah, I like that. That's got that Hakata kind of, I don't know, the noodles just seem very doughy. I shouldn't say that. Not doughy, floury. It's like there's a little bit of flour left in, and they're really good. All right. And let's pop these up a little. It's like I always try to let you see the broth and the noodle, but sometimes the noodle just takes over. There you go. And this camera is being a real piece of work today. Let's throw got some chashu. Got an egg. I visited the eggist, and got an egg here. And we'll be patient with our egg. A little bit of egg patience. Come on, egg. My egg patience is wearing thin. Come on. Let's try running around the edge. So if you are interested in donating your spare time and becoming the official unpaid Ramen Raider perfect Japanese style egg cooker, please submit your application and it will be examined. Okay? See, that one came out really nice, but it's like, it can be really hard to get them out and all that fun stuff. Okay. We've got some sprout action, some mung bean sprout. I've had people try to get me into soybean sprouts. They're just not the same. I have nothing against the soybean, but more often than not, they just kind of have a funky smell, I think. Like, I've gotten them at H Mart and they've smelled like bleach before, so I'm just going with mung bean sprouts. I'm really picky. I like my brand. By the way, if you like mung bean sprouts, Salad Cosmo mung bean sprouts are the absolute, according to the Ramen Raider, world's best mung bean sprouts. If there's other competing companies that would like to come and bring me mung bean sprouts that are fresh, I am absolutely down with that, but I don't think there are. So, we've got a little bit of, come on, a little bit of black sesame. If it's black sesame oil, you gotta have black sesame. And then some shichimi togarashi. And I think we're good. And we rotate. Alright, well, cool. Thanks to Ramen Trunk for shooting these over in their box. And they're sending, by the time you see this, it'll be even another one. Oh, snap. I spaced it. I'll do it. It's Friday. I've got a couple Monopoly things. So this is your chance. I'm on camera. If we are winners of $250 million, you will be first to know. Haha, we're winners! We won! We won 2 free bonus tickets. Nah. The other one is... Are you ready? It's a code, so if you have to install their app, enter the code in, and yeah. Screw that. Anyway, this has been Hans. Enjoy your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.